Hey, welcome to the video. My name's Theo and I'm going to show you how you can get set up with Hostgator and a domain name and then install WordPress to that hosting so you can start creating your new website. And not only that, I'm going to be giving you free access to our WTC system, which is on our Websites Made Easy website, and we sell this currently for $497, but we are going to give this to you for free with lifetime access just for watching this video, because this teaches you the exact steps you need to create a website or blog with minimal effort really quickly. We've come up with our own techniques and ways of doing this to take the stress out of it and to make this as easy as it can be. Myself and the team, we have helped millions of people with their websites and their blogs. We've got so much 5-star feedback for what we've done, and we absolutely love doing it. So let me help you with your website or your blog. So whether you're a personal brand or you're looking to start a business or a company, this video is really going to help you with the first steps of creating a website or blog. So as mentioned, we've partnered with Hostgator, which is going to get you, our YouTube subscribers, the best offer that they can give us. And I'm going to show you exactly what that is in a moment. So let's head over to hostgator.com, and when you're there, click on Get Started. And here is where you choose the plan that you'd like, and I'd recommend the Hatchling plan if you're just starting out, because this is the cheapest and it gives you a single domain, whereas the baby plan you can have unlimited domains, but it's slightly more expensive. So it's entirely up to you which one you want to go for, but I'm going to go with the Hatchling plan. And this is where you're going to select your domain name. So think about what your website name is going to be. It can be anything you want. Just have a think and then type that in here. And then you can choose some .com, .co.uk and so on. So choose one of those. Then scroll down to choose a hosting plan. And again, the package is Hatchling. Then enter a username and a security pin here. And then for the billing cycle, and you've got a few options in here, but I would recommend going with the 12 months because it is cheaper and it also unlocks your free domain for the whole year. And also I'm going to give you a voucher code that is going to save you 60%. Then go down to step 3, which is to enter your billing info. So just go ahead and do that. Make sure you put in a real email address here because you're going to receive a couple of emails from Hostgator afterwards with your username and your passwords. Head down to step 4, which is additional services. And we don't need any of these, so you can just uncheck these. You can always add these on later if you want them. And then you want to scroll down to step 5, which is enter a coupon code. And here you want to just type in host hero, then make sure to validate that. Also, this is unlocking the 3-step WTC system on our website. We're giving you that completely for free. It teaches you how to properly set up your website or your blog, how to get customers, traffic. We created it from the ground up with our own knowledge and techniques, and it's helped thousands of people already. And just so you know, we have partnered with Hostgator, so we get a small commission, which helps us keep creating these videos for you. Okay, great. So now when you're ready, all you have to do is click on Checkout Now, and you're going to be the proud owner of your very own domain name. So now head over to your emails because we need to look for a couple of emails from Hostgator. And this is really important because this is how we install WordPress to your domain and your hosting. So head over to your email to find those. Okay, so the first email you're looking for is called Launchpad. And this is just really quickly to verify your email address so your website or your blog doesn't get paused in the future for any reason. So just click on here and click here to verify your email. Okay, now go back to your emails and then click on the billing email, and it should say thank you for choosing Hostgator, and you're looking for the Hostgator billing portal link here. So we're just going to log in to that quickly. So just copy your password here and then click the link. Log in with the email and password that you chose. So what we're doing in here is just making sure that your domain is pointing to the name servers on Hostgator. Don't worry about the technical terms, just follow along with me. It just takes a minute to do this, and it really is important and properly sets your hosting up with the domain name so it's all working together. So first of all, click on Domains, then find your domain name right here, then click on Name Servers. You want to click on Change, and then select Automatically Point My Domain to My Hosting Account. and save that. And it's all done. So that's all set up and working. So now head back to your emails. Now find the email your account info, and it will have your username and your password in here. And you're looking for the control panel link right here as well. Copy your password, remember your username, and click on control panel. There's loads in here, but don't worry about it. You don't need any of this. So just scroll down and find the software and services area. So all you want to do is click on quick install and then click on WordPress here, and then select your domain and click next. Here you just want to fill out this bit of information such as your blog or website title, admin, username, first name, last name, and your admin email. And just make sure to fill all of that in, and then all you do is click on install. And that's it. WordPress is installing, and you're going to get your username and password show up in a moment. You don't want to forget these, so just make sure to write these down. And then click on this link here. Now you should see a website coming soon page, but you might also see an error page. And this just means that everything's still being set up. So just wait a few moments and then just click on the admin login here. This is logging into the back end of your website, which means you can go into your website and start editing it and start creating your website or your blog. So just use the username and the password that you just received and then log in. Congratulations, you've now got your own hosted domain name. So now it's time to create your website or create your blog and get it going. And I know this can be tricky, it can be challenging. And this is why we're giving you the free WTC system. For website traffic and customer, how to create your website effectively, how to get more traffic, and then how to turn those people or that traffic into customers. So the goal with this is to give you a roadmap from start to finish on how to create your website or your blog. It makes it as easy for you as possible every step of the way. James and I show you the best steps to take. So you're not left to figuring out how to do this on your own. And whether you want to start your own business, your own brand, you want to sell things online, you're writing your own book and you want to bring awareness to that book, you want to start doing affiliate sales, you want to start your own YouTube channel, and you want a website or a blog to go with that. The WTC system can help you accomplish what you want to do. Once you've signed up, you'll get the confirmation email from Hostgator. It's the one with the subject line, your account info. So once you've done that, all you then need to do is forward that email to james@websitesmadeeasy.tv. Let him know that you want access to the system, and either James or I will get you set up on that WTC system. If you're ready to get started, I look forward to hearing from you. Of course, if this isn't for you, we've included a few links in the description to some videos that may be helpful. So I hope this video has helped you. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to view all our future videos, and give this video a like if it has helped you. Thanks very much. My name's Theo from Websites Made Easy.